Good day to my future employer. My name is Vicky Habaga, 31 years old, from Impasugong, Bukidnon, Philippines. Undergraduate o Bachelor Secondary Education, major in Mathematics in Matina, Davao City. Single, I have only one daughter, 7 years old. I have my work experience in Saudi, finance contract as nanny, and also in Hong Kong, finance contract as nanny. My first employer, they have 3 months old newborn and 3 years old toddlers. My daily routine is to take care of the newborn, bathing the newborn, feeding the newborn. After feeding the newborn, I will barfing and changing the diaper and to give their vitamins and to check the temperature and wash the bottles. When the newborn is become 8 months old, I will prepare their foods and I will boiling the potato with the squash and broccoli. I will blender and to feed her. And after that, I will to take her the 3 years old toddlers, to teaching how to read, to teaching how to write, and I will play with her. And also my second employer in Hong Kong, they have 3 years old and 5 years old toddlers, to teaching how to dance, to teaching how to sing, and to identify the colors and how to count the numbers and play with her. If I have my free time, I will do my household chores like washing the clothes and ironing and cooking. If you hire me, madam, I will do my best. I am responsibility, honesty, and trustworthy and hardworking. That's all. Thank you.